In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification on YouTube. So to set it up, you must enable it on the underlying Google account linked to your channel. So as you can see right here, I'm currently logged in into my Google account. So for that, you just need to go directly to your Google My Account Security. Here is the security and sign-in page, which is this page right here. Ensure that you're logged in into the correct channel email by checking the profile picture in the top right. Now, once you're in there, you just need to look for the two-step verification option. Head over and click on this. After you have clicked onto this part, you will be asked to verify your password, so head over and verify it. Once you have verified that it's you, you should be able to see in here the two-step verification. You will be asked to add either a passkey, Google prompt, authenticator, as well as phone number right here. So if you want to add, just head over and choose between the steps available, and then head over and then just add your device. So for example, let's add an authenticator app. So head over and click on this, and then click on this setup authenticator. After that, you will be asked to scan a QR code, so just head over and scan it on your phone in order to actually set it up. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.